Hey dude, I saw some people commenting on some of our videos saying, come on chaps, where are your videos, your car related videos, long play versions, what's going on?
Here it is.
I'm going to show them the pop, dude. Don't fire it up quite yet. Chaps, the full pop's up for sale. Gav's made a nice little sign there. It's a genuine 3-litre logbook, 55 Ford pop, I think. It's up for sale. If anyone wants it, rough as hell, but it's drivable. It goes, and it's a lot of fun to drive.
It's mechanically sound. You just need someone to do the body.
Yeah, mechanically it's sound, but there's a lot of rust in the body. Yeah. Anyway, come on then, see what happens now, dude. Are you giving it any throttle?
Yeah, full throttle. There's a vacuum advance on this car.
Oh, you need to block that off, dude. He's one of those little bungs.
Oh, there's one.
Know what I mean? Take it with you, dude.
I only need the one.
One's all you need. Hey guys, we're gonna. I've saved a lot of video footage, and we're gonna do a long play video for you very soon. Thanks for your patience and thanks for asking. So these are tri-jet Dell'Orto DHLA45 carburettors. We've rebuilt them and we're testing them now to make sure they're good, and then we're going to put them up for sale. So if anyone wants a nice pair of Italian tri-jet DHLA Dell'Orto fine carburettors, give us a bill. They're not going to be cheap though, so yeah, you better have lots of money in your bank. Have you done the bong?
Put the bong on.
That should help things. Give it the beans. Whoa. Bung come off there. Or is it on?
Yeah, there's no bung on.
Yeah, you see the things like that, man. Put that bung back on it. You'll get there, dude. You'll get there. Oh shit! Dude, I forgot. These are tri-jet carbs. Look back here.
Oh.
Right, that and that are supposed to have a pipe connecting them. So it's been sucking air all this while. No wonder they don't run normal.
Okay.
Let's pull a couple of bungs in them.
Bung.
Remember that with the tri-jet carbs, yeah? Cause
Tri-jet. I've never done a tri-jet.
neither have I. Ready?
Yeah.
Listen to the difference.
Let me come out.
Come on. They still run like shit. Manifold's blocked.
Yeah.
But it's still spitting, which suggests to me that something ain't quite right yet. Clearly. Yeah?
Okay. I'll see.
Okay, half an hour later, doing some O-ring work. What else? Yeah. See what happens.
Okay.
Yeah.
2.
No. No. Right, We've just switched the engine off, guys, because we weren't filming it. So what we did is we added some O-rings in the mixture screws and some washers. We took the rubber O-rings from a place they didn't belong into. We blocked the 2 rear vents. We tightened up the mishap spacers even further up above. Gav, next time you use these, you need to pick good pieces, all right? Because that washer there is sort of a half washer.
Yeah.
It makes our job a bit difficult, so you need to pick the nicest bits we've got.
Okay, half washers.
Yeah, don't you just make sure they're nice, sharp, crisp washers and the stuff like that. What else did we do, dude, to sort this? We had a look at all our jets. All of that was correct.
We tightened up these again.
Yeah.
We adjusted these two.
Yeah, well, we've just balanced it now. Gav's just balanced it, and
I've never done it before.
hit it, dude. Hit it. Probably run like pants again, but. That's sounding good. Well done. He's happy. Look at his face. Bogged down a bit there. These are calibrated for I think they're the original Lotus Esprit or something like that. Yeah, like a 2 litre. That's just our vacuum pipe, we don't need that. Actually, we could down the thing. It won't reach, will it? Stick it in there. But anyway, I'm happy that these are working carburettors. Obviously, they need calibration for the engine. So we haven't calibrated it for these engines. That's for a 2 litre or a 2.2 maybe. Go on, give it the beats. You see the fucking flames? Do it again. No, don't turn it off. Put the RPM down.
Like a Swiss watch, dude.
A little more. And check the balancer again. The balancer, dude. Get the airflow meter on it.
4 3/4.
Yeah.
5 1/2.
Yeah.
5. So these two are 5. 4 3/4. 4 1/2. Sorry. Yeah, 4 1/2, 4 3/4.
All right.
These are both 5.
Okay, go. It's not exactly a Swiss watch.
It's pretty good though.
It's Oop. Yeah, it's like a Briley Hill watch. Yeah, pretty much on time.
Sort of on time.
Alright, guys. Right, we'll do a proper video in the next few days. Right, we've got some painting. Frog Eye's been painted.
Yeah.
We switch this off. Right, Frog Eye's been painted, and we're going to drain them. Yeah, you can drain them. Yeah. And what else have we? We've got a video restoring some vintage DC03 carbs. What else have we got? Shit, dude, there's water coming out of the radiator. Anyway, see you later, guys, and thanks for asking about us. We've just been really busy with classic carbs, haven't we?
Yeah.
What's up?
Put the fan on.
Put the fan on, yeah, man. We've been really busy with classic carbs, and just doing work on carbs and keeping a business afloat. Look at that sky, man. That sky looks awesome. Yeah, let me film a bit outside. So like I said, that's for sale. Transit's still waiting for the registration to happen, which is taking ages. The Transit, the white Transit, I sold it because the MOT ran out, and I sold it to a chap that's probably going to break it. And now this is my day, what you call it, my daily, but it's got no heating, so I've bought a Chinese paraffin diesel heater jobby, so I need to put that heater in this so I can have some. I'm going to need this for the next couple of months, which is the end of November, all of December, and possibly all of January, which are the coldest months. This little dude's been coming with me pretty much every day, and he's giving us a little waggle, maybe not. So yeah, the days are drawing in a lot sooner now, so we're having shorter days. Whoop, don't want to show you the Sprite. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna spank Gav. Dude,
Just draining them.
drain them. You've done a good job, man.
Finally.
Well, not really. I mean, you tried, but now we're sorted. Yeah.
Well, now you've shown me how to do it, then I can do it again on my own.
If anyone wants some Lotus Tri-Jet carbs, give us a message. If anyone wants one of these hoodies, they're only 120 quid.
But they're so thick.
Yeah.
These will keep you warm.
Yeah, it's 100% organic cotton.
500 counts as
and
well.
it weighs like freaking 10 kilo. It's really good quality. Also, we've got hoodies for sale, and we've got hats. Support our channel. Make us rich. Yeah.
Here we go. They're running out of fuel now.
Yeah. All right. See you later, guys. God bless you all. Thanks for being alive. Bye.